Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be bringing you some amazing deals at Publix this week. This was probably one of the best hauls I've had in such a long time. Guys, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell to all so you know when all my videos are coming up. Also, please join me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to have you so you know when all my videos and all my deals are posted. So let's go ahead and get started on some deals today. So the very first thing that we have are these Publix carrots. They're 99 cents each. This is a no coupons needed deal. I love stuff like this because, you know, we don't get coupons for veggies and meat, that sort of thing. And so whenever Publix has a really great deal on veggies, especially stuff I can put in my kids' lunchbox, I'm sure to pick it up. So these are 99 cents, no coupons needed on the Publix baby carrots. Pick up a bag today. In addition to the carrots, the corn is also on sale this week. These are for $1.99 or 50 cents each. I just love getting all these fresh veggies and being on sale, guys. Of course, this is a no coupons needed deal, but you're saving 67 cents per ear of corn, which is a great deal. And so I was able to pick this up for my kiddos for supper tonight. And we had corn, and you're going to see in a moment we had some hamburgers. So great deals at Publix this week for $1.99, which is about 50 cents per ear of corn. The next deal is going to be on this Starbucks coffee. Now, I'm loving this Starbucks coffee because this is a printable coupon. Now, all the coupons that I use in this video are printable coupons. I'm not using any of my manufacturer coupons from the newspaper. All of them are printable coupons, so you're all able to access this. If you go into my description box, look for my printable breakdown. That printable breakdown has the link to this coupon for you. And this my favorite Starbucks coffee is this toffee nut. These are $7.99. The coupon is for the spring types of coffee. I wasn't able to show you that in this video, but it's $8 for this toffee nut coffee. Using this $1.50 coupon, it's going to bring it down to $6.49 per box of Starbucks coffee. So great deal. Now the next deal is on this pearl milling pancake mix or the syrup. Now I grabbed 2 boxes of the pancake mix, and I do not have a picture of this, but these are buy one get one free this week. And if you spend if you buy both of them, you get $1 off with your Publix app, your Publix app, because there's a $1 digital coupon. Sorry, there's a $1.50 digital coupon. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 boxes of this, making it $1.83 each, or $3.66 for both of them before coupons. Use that $1.50 digital coupon, bringing it down to $2.16 for both, or $1.08 each. Now the next deal I have is on this ground chuck hamburger patties. Now I did pick this up because everything is expensive in the meat department, and these are $5.49 per pound, and we were planning on having burgers anyway, so I was really excited about this. Of course, this is another no coupons needed deal. I try not to buy meat for my family that's not on sale. So as much as I want to buy those steaks, if they're not on sale, then I'm not buying them. So good thing hamburger meat patties were on sale for $5.49 per pound because my kids really enjoyed these, and we paired it with the corn on the cob, so they really enjoyed that. And then we also cooked some Kraft macaroni and cheese. So I'm using all the things here to make it. Now these Kraft macaroni and cheeses are going to be just 65 cents per box. If you were to buy 2 boxes, they're $1.50. They're buy one get one free, so they're going to be 75 cents per box. Now the great thing about this is it's a no coupons needed deal as well. IBOTTA has a 10-cent rebate on these, making these just 65 cents each. And you can do this deal up to 5 times per transaction with IBOTTA. Now some people have the 35% off in their IBOTTA gallery. Just check and make sure what you have, but 10 cents I'll still take it, making this macaroni and cheese just 65 cents per box. The next deal is on this Cheez-It Puffed. My kids were pretty excited about this. It is a new product. Anytime we have new products, we always have coupons or IBOTTA rebates trying to get you to buy the product. Now these are 2 for $6. But if you buy one, it's $3. It's usually $3.41 each. So you're saving 82 cents on the Cheez-Its Puffs. Now, this is another no coupons needed deal. What you're going to do is submit to IBOTTA for 75 cents each, making these just $2.25 each. Now, they had the double cheese, the white cheese or white cheddar, and they also had the scorching hot cheddar, so they have all kinds of different flavors. I'll let you guys know in one of my next videos how these taste. My kids do not know yet. They haven't eaten them. So these are $2.25 each. Now, this is not a coupon deal. I just wanted to show you how outrageous this pack of chicken is. Now, this is Springer Mountain Farms chicken, and it was $15 for this pack of chicken, and I believe it was about 2 1/3 pounds in chicken. And I sent my daddy this picture of this chicken, and I said, Daddy, I can't even buy this. And he says, oh my gosh, that's like over $5 per chicken breast in that pack, and usually we're used to buying chicken breasts for about $5 per pack. So guys, always be mindful of sales of meat. Just don't pick things up without looking at it. But yeah, inflation is real right now, guys. That's why we coupon. So the next deal is not a coupon deal either, but this is something that my family really enjoys. And I know with summertime coming, it is great to go ahead and stock up on these little quick snacks and things for your kids. So these Nathan's Bagel Dogs, I got these for my kids recently. I had a coupon for it and tried it. I love couponing and trying new products. And these are usually $6.29 each, but they're on sale right now, 2 for $10. So I went ahead and picked up 2 boxes of these. I've already put them in the oven, and my poor kids, they have eaten all of them, and they asked me to cook the second box. So I told them, no, we'll wait for the next day. So I'll cook them for them today. But these Nathan Bagel Dogs are just $5 each. No coupons needed on this. Now, another great deal on this Kentucky Legend Hickory Smoked Bacon. I was excited because they have the Applewood and they have the regular hickory. I've never tried this product. These are usually $9.49. Bacon is always so expensive. It is on sale for $7, so you're saving $2.50 just with the Publix sale. Then I printed off this Kentucky Bacon coupon, and I linked that coupon in the description box. Linked that coupon in the printable breakdown that's in my description box. So go to my description, my box, and then go to the printable breakdown, and you'll be able to find the link to print this coupon off. This coupon's for $1, making this bacon just $5.99 each. Now, I didn't pick this up, but I've heard a lot of people say that they got this stem spray. They're $6.49. We do have some more of these buy one, get one free coupons that are out. I actually left the coupons on the shelf for somebody else. And then there is I think a $6.49 coupon on the Publix app. I didn't try this deal, but if you have tried this deal, please let me know how it worked for you, because I definitely didn't want that. I have enough of these kind of products when I got it before on Swagbucks. But yeah, if you're not using these coupons, please leave them for somebody. You just never know who needs these type of products. Hopefully with the buy one, get one free and the coupon on the Publix app, you were able to pick these up for free. If you did, please let me know in the comments. This is my deal of the day. I've been wanting to try this so much. These are the 9 Elements dish spray. It's very similar to the Dawn dish spray, how it works when it foams out. There is a $5 high value coupon on the Publix app. And this was the same deal that was at Kroger, where they had a $5 coupon on the Kroger app, and over at Kroger it was $5.99. Using that $5 coupon, it was just 99 cents for this. I wasn't able to pick it up because the store never had any. People were clearing the shelves, so I was able to pick this up for $1.39. Really excited to try this out and just to try 9 Elements out. So it's just a different product, and lemon is always my favorite scent. Now, great deal on this because we have a moneymaker. This is on the Cetaphil. It's in the baby section. This is the shampoo, the body wash. Now, the great deal about this is these are $4 printable coupons. I have linked these in my printable breakdown, so check that out. And you can print this coupon up to 2 times per computer. So what you'll do is pick up the Cetaphil Baby Wash. These are usually, I think, $6.29, I think. And then you get a $3 off at the register at Instant Savings. And then you're going to use this $4 coupon. making this a moneymaker, and I was able to do this deal twice. So I was able to take that moneymaker and roll it on to other savings in this transaction to bring my out of pocket even lower. This is such a great deal on this speed stick, or this lady's speed stick, because this is the deodorant I use, and I haven't been able to get any great deals on this in such a long time. After coupons, this speed stick is going to be just 65 cents, so I definitely picked this up. Now the coupon for this is a printable coupon, and it's linked in my printable breakdown, so make sure you go to my printable breakdown to click on this and to print it off. So you're going to buy one of these at $1.15 each. Then you're going to use the 50-cent coupon that you get from the Speed Stick website that's linked in my printable breakdown, making each tube of this deodorant just 65 cents each, and you can get the women's or the men, and you can do this deal twice because you'll be able to get 2 coupons. Now, I did have some problems with this on. So the boarding coupon did not scan for me at the register, so somebody had to come and override it. I always try to print my printable coupons off in color. You know, you just never know how it's going to be, and it just makes things easier. And even the lady at the register said, well, there's no cheese on this picture. It's just milk and different things. And I said, yes, ma'am, I know that, but it says any boarding product. So they still honored it after that. I also have this board and cheese coupon linked in my printable breakdown. So you're going to pick up one of these board and cheeses at $2.40. They're buy one, get one free. We're going to use this dollar off boarding coupon, making this cheese just $1.40 each. I thought that was a great deal on cheese, and we were able to put it on our cheeseburgers. Now, the next deal is on this Crest toothpaste, and it's going to be free, and I didn't realize this because something happened with the IBOTTA, and I was able to use a dollar IBOTTA. It came off. So this Crest toothpaste are 2 for $4. But you're going to pick up 3 of these Crest toothpaste. These are the 8.2 ounce. When you do, they're $2 each. So you're going to pick up 3. That's going to be $6 before coupons. There is a $5 digital coupon on the app that should come off with this. And then there's also that dollar IBOTTA that came off, and I'll put that up for you guys, making this a total freebie for me. Now, it may not work for you. All right, praisers and savers, this is the kind of shopping trip that I love, because I'm constantly having people say to me, well, I don't get why you buy that stuff. You're never going to use it, or I don't ever see any coupons that I'm going to use stuff for. Guys, I use all this. I use every single bit of this. So, and here's what I'm excited about. I know I didn't have coupons for these, but this was on sale. And I'm just being aware and cognizant of my sales in the store. 25 cents on that corn. We're going to have that tonight. Beef. We're going to have those burgers tonight. Baby carrots. We're going to have those tomorrow for lunch. But the other things too is I use the Lady's Speed Stick. That's my favorite deodorant. I'm going to use this Crest toothpaste. And guys, it's only 33 cents a container for this. Plus, there's a 50-cent coupon that I can use later on some other toothpaste. We're going to have some of this macaroni and cheese tonight. Yummy? You excited? Yeah. And also, this Starbucks coffee is my favorite coffee. This is the toffee nut coffee. These Nathan's Bagel Dogs. We didn't have a coupon for that, but I've been looking for this on sale because my kids love these Nathan's Bagel Dogs. I actually have a box of them in the oven right now to eat when they get home here in a moment. The cheese, of course, we're going to eat that. We always have pancakes on the weekends. Now, the great thing about this Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo, of course, we're not going to eat that, but that was a moneymaker. Plus, I can put that in a gift basket for a baby shower because I'm constantly going to a baby shower. I've been wanting to try this 9-element spray because they had that at Kroger, and I was going to get so many of them for like 99 cents, but the store was always wiped out. So I'm excited to finally try that. I'm actually going to put that on my shelf right now. And this new Cheez-Its Puffs, got 75 cents on that to try something new. Of course, my kids are going to tear that up. We got 5 kids in this house. Food does not get wasted. So guys, the next time you say I don't use coupons, or I don't use any of the coupons, using the stuff that the coupons have, just look at this. All this is couponed or on sale or a rebate app. So definitely check them out. It is worth the savings.